Ngayong gabi, bot ko subong si Benjie. And ari kami sa Mu Shu.
This is Benjie, by the way. So we tried two of their main dishes, which are crispy pork, garlic, something, and their sizzling kansi.
So 3 minutes later, after naman nag-order, may mga progress na ta sa aton nga gin-order, no? Para naton nga pinggan and kutsara. Very fast service. May tissue na tayo. Very fast. 2 minutes after nga nag-order, ara na tayo. So, ang pagkaon na lang. So, another 2 minutes later, nagabot na amon nga service water and iced tea that is very, very tall. Very, very tall.
Thank you. That was a very nice moment to capture, no? Ang pag umamoy na siyang gravy. Very good. So here is our sizzling kansi and our crispy pork something. So we'll give a taste in a bit after pictures. Picture! We'll give it a taste. Without this sauce. It's a bit crispy. Flavors blending. Pork is tender. It's like 7.5 out of 10. And we'll try the sizzling kansi. Let's stop the video and let's eat. This is nice.
So tapos sa may kaon, dili siya Mu Shu. Originally, makadakami tayo sa Silver and Plums. Galing na gyan naman ang Mu Shu. So natamdaman ko si Julia. Kung wala mo kabalo, crush siya gid katama ang chef. Nabalang every time maglabay kami di sa Lacson, balabay pa lang ginakilig na sa. So next time, updon ta ka di Jol. And hopefully si chef tani ari para makakuha kami picture for Julia.
For the food, first, okay lang ni crispy pork something, but as you can see, look at our food. This sizzling kansi is really good. We recommend this one. It's really good. First, nakibot kami sa iyang gravy because it's batuan. So batuan is really very sour. Usually kinabutang sa mga like linaga or mga sinigang. So at first kasi tight pa kami pabutang sa gravy. But after we tasted the combinations of everything, it was really very nice. So when you visit Mu Shu, do not ever forget this dish. It's all good. So we know that we're coming back. Come with us.
Masuya naman si Julia sa hapon. Nagiging dito lang may nagawin sa karinderya sa Mugto. Kaya tamaran mo.